Welcome everyone. Today's video we're going to head to ASDA and we're going to check out the Dahlia plants. Now not only are they the cheapest plants that I have found around, but they are great quality. There's a couple of things to look for and I'm going to give you a care guide as we go through the video as well. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, straight off the bat, these are 2 for £6. Now, for the size of the plants, I think they're absolutely fantastic. They are great quality. The brilliant thing about dahlias is they die back to a tuber, so you can keep them over winter and plant them out again the following season, right? So these make a fabulous cut flower. And if you just keep deadheading them, keep taking off those dead heads, they will just keep producing more and more flowers throughout the summer. Now, as you can see here, the flowering in July, these will flower all the way up till the first frosts. Now, you can either keep these in pots or in the ground. Personally, I think they actually do better in the ground. And when it comes to watering, is they don't need too much, as they are actually native to Mexico. The one thing that supermarkets actually do let themselves down is they do have a lot of dead heads on them, as you've just seen just there. But it's just a case of simply deadheading them off, taking those dead flower spikes off as low down on the plant as you possibly can. And I'll show you how to do that as we go through the season in my garden. As you can see here, there's several different colours. Now, some are dwarf varieties, so they only get to sort of 12 inches tall, and some aren't, so they can get up to about 3 to 4 feet. And like mentioned, they will give you an absolute abundance of flowers throughout the summer. Now, I've chose ASDA today because I'm very much a budget-friendly gardener, and 2 for £6 is the best price that I've possibly found for these. And as you can see, they are absolutely fantastic quality. Now, cheapest isn't always best, but in this case, they actually do the job for me. Now, there's no signs of buds or flowers on my dahlias, as I was quite late planting them out. The brilliant thing about the ASDA ones at the moment, they're in full swing and they'll just carry on flowering as long as you give them a little bit of feed and a little bit of water throughout the summer. As mentioned in the video, if you are actually going to plant them in the ground, they'll need a lot less water. If you're going to put them in the pot, they'll certainly need watering every day in this heat, right? At least 3 times a week throughout the summer. As mentioned, you can either cover them up in winter, and that's with like a polythene sheet because it's the damp that they don't like, and then whip that off in the spring and it will create the plant to get into active mode and regrow. Or you can dig them up and save them, and I'll do a video on that towards the end of the year, but they just need to go in a frost-free environment. So join me next week on my Dahlia video, where I'm actually going to be staking these and giving these some support, as they do tend to get quite big. They need staking quite early on, so that's a really good tip. If you guys put them in a pot or put them in the ground, pot some canes around them, and then you can just simply use a little bit of string or twine and tie them up as the season goes on. So feeding wise, when you first purchase these, you can give them like a seaweed feed or a chicken manure, which is full of nitrogen, just to give them some growth. But after that, I would really concentrate on more fish blood and bone or a sulfate of potash to really help out those flowers. If you just continuously give it more like a seaweed feed or tomerite, it'll just concentrate on putting on some really lovely growth. So just bear that one in mind. Now, they are very, very easy. I actually only fed mine once last year and I got abundance of flowers, so don't overthink it too much. They're a very easy plant to keep and they're perfect for new gardeners. So just bear that in mind. Just give them a go and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Dahlias are one of my absolute favorite plants. They are really very easy to keep. If you did enjoy it, then please do give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care.